Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel. If you're new here, hello, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, how you doing? Thanks for coming back. So today's video is actually, I already filmed the video, right? But I just needed an intro. That's why I'm doing this today, because the video should have been online or on YouTube today, but by the time you guys see this video, it's gonna be like yesterday. So yeah, it should have been on yesterday, but anyways, I was caught up with other stuff, so it is what it is. Yeah, let's get right into the video.
There's nothing holding me back.
Hi guys, so I already started braiding. Started around 12 p.m. and then it's currently 10 p.m. But anyways, I'm just gonna do just the side because I don't want the video to be too long. Guys, when I started doing this hair, there was no hope. Okay, I had no hope. I don't know, but I just have to lay my edges, you know, look cute. You guys have been sleeping on me. Okay, I am super talented.
Jesus!
Are you sure?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Look at you. Eh?
So guys, this is how it went. I think it looks pretty good, as in I wasn't expecting this. Anyways, let me know down below if you like this. Make sure you like, you share, you comment, you tell a friend to tell a friend to watch this. This is a protective style anyway, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.
1 week later.
How long do you think this braids have been in for? Can someone guess in the comment section? Cause this is ridiculous. Okay, when I started doing this, yo, I felt I was a pro, but when I finished, okay, it was nasty. This is how it was looking from after I was done till today. It was done last week Saturday, so today is like a week, because today's Saturday, so like a week. I've had this for 7 days, and guys, this is a disaster. Okay, it looks like I've had this in for like for 4 months, but no, it's been just 7 days. Look, do you know what's funny? I realized that the front of the hair just had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this whole place is like an island. There's nothing over here, and then just the middle part had like 4 braids. Like, what was I thinking? And then this side had 2, and I do not know, but yo, braiding is a talent. Okay, do not sleep on your hairstylist. This is a hot mess. I don't know, but right after this, right after you see this video, this hair must be gone. It shouldn't be on my hair. I could be arrested for this. It's nasty. So yeah, so every time I had this braid on for the 7 days that it's been on, I literally had it in like this. Oh, hold on. I had it in like this. Like, every time you see me, I always have like a ponytail, and then this side brushed up, and then like my edges done, period. That's it. Or I just like go this way. Hold on. Just like, I don't even need a hair tie. I just like do this, and then have like a messy cute bun, and then like this. Oopsie. Like a messy cute bun like that. I've had this for 7 days, and the whole time my hair was like this, like in a bun, because like if I leave it on, it's scary. Okay, because like you just see 6 braids over here, and you see an island, and you see like, oh, it was crazy. But I'm like, I spent $100 on this hair extension. I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna keep this hair for at least 7 days, and that's what I did. So tomorrow, this hair must be gone. Okay, so yeah, anyways, let me know in the comment section how you're gonna rate this hair on a scale of 5, no, on a scale of 10. Okay, so 1 to 10, how are you gonna rate this hair? Because guys, you have to consider my effort, the money I spent, the skills I was trying to acquire. So you guys better give me like, I shouldn't go below 5. Okay, so below 5 is not acceptable. 5 and above is okay, but if you give me 9 or 10 or 8, is like, you're being ridiculous right now, because I don't I did not deserve that. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you wanna see more videos like this, try new hairstyles on my own. Yeah, and if you're gonna have fun with this channel, okay? No, at this point I'm just talking to myself. But anyways, let me know what kind of videos you want me to be doing for you guys, like DIYs, hairstyles, you know, anything I will do for you guys. Okay, so just let me know. You can message me on Instagram, Snapchat, let's talk, let's have fun, bring your ideas, and yeah, it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in my next video. I think my next video is gonna be like a skincare routine or something, but I don't know, or maybe like me answering 22 questions because I'm 22 years old. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, let me know in the comment down below. Bye guys, I will see you in my next video. Oh, bye.
Take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back.